Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to teach you step by step how you can add a drop-down menu to your tables and graphs on Google Sheets really quickly. So let us get started. Head over Google Sheets and start a new blank spreadsheet by clicking on the button here. And here on your blank untitled spreadsheet, select the cell where you'd like to place a drop-down menu to. As you can see, for demonstration purposes, I added a drop-down menu, a default one like that here in the 1A or A1 cell. So if you'd like to do that for your own spreadsheet, simply follow my steps. Select the cell, in this case here D7 for example. After that, click on insert here at the top, and from that drop-down menu, select drop-down here. That is going to add a drop-down menu to that cell. However guys, you may for example customize and edit your drop-down menu here to the right, where it says, for example, apply to range. So here you may, for instance, choose the cell and the range. Here you may customize the type of the drop-down menu. If you click on it, you may, for example, go with various criteria, like, for instance, greater than or less than, and text contains, and so on and so forth. And below, that's the most important part, guys. Here you can, for example, add items to your drop-down menu, starting with 2 default items, but you may add more of them by clicking on add another item here. So let me create a drop-down menu with, let's say, 5 possible options. And after that, guys, what you may do is give your items a name, like, I don't know, just for the sake of this tutorial, let me go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on and so forth. And if I click on that arrow down icon here of the drop-down menu, you will see that these options are not available in the drop-down menu. So you can keep customizing. You may, for example, remove the value or item by clicking on the trash icon here to the right, or for instance click on that arrow down icon to assign a custom color to the given option, like green for that one, pink or orange to that one, light blue, and so on and so forth. So if I click on that arrow down icon here, you will see that these options have now assigned custom colors, and so on and so forth. And last but not least, you may also go a bit more in depth by selecting advanced option here, and for example choose a specific display style like chip, arrow, plain text, and so on and so forth, guys. So once you're done, simply confirm by clicking on done here, and it is going to add the drop-down menu ready to be used here to your table or to your graph. And that's it, guys. That's how you do it. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.